I lost my job last night. Picked up my paycheck, but 35% of it gone already, cause Uncle Sam didn't get paid yet.
Dakota. No, I'm right behind you. I'm the guy with the flashlight on.
Who the fuck are you?
I don't know what I am.
I can't see because shadows go on people. It's kind of weird.
Alright.
Alright, I'm following Lee because he knows probably the most.
Where's he at?
He's right here. He looks like Johnny Bravo.
Yes,
Don't
I'm
run with the
black
trigger
haired.
button.
He's black
Douchebag.
haired Johnny Bravo. Dude, Johnny Bravo was like the ultimate.
Where'd he go?
Like, womanizer. I lost you guys. Oh, no, there he is.
It's okay. You all should have went in groups of 2.
Okay.
Divide.
Alright. Dakota, follow me. Oh, Dakota, is that you? I thought that was got a word. It's really good. Hold on. Whoa! Oh.
I got it.
Someone put me in tape. Scared me. Yeah. In the corner.
Yeah, let's go towards that big noise.
Okay. That thing? Oh, here. Where did I pick this map?
Why did you? I hate this map.
Why did you let me pick this map? I don't even know.
Because I was gone.
Wait, you don't really.
What the f? Nah, I'm good. There's a dead body over there. And you know how I feel about dead bodies. I'm not looking. I'm looking.
It's right there. Oh! Run. He's behind us, run.
Oh, is he?
Step up to the door. Yep, I hear him. I hear him.
Yep, got it.
If you listen to this, take the tape out and get away as fast as you can. Don't listen to this tape. You hear me? Do not listen to it.
So we shouldn't listen to him, which means we should listen to all of the tapes. You guys need to be very observant because the tapes are like Marchish. Oh crap. Turn around. Turn around. Let's go back. Here, you go first. Nope.
Found it.
We found half of them. We're gonna die. Man, look at that booty shape.
I hear one.
Gotta get a closer look on that booty. Might as well go closer to it.
We're in like the UFO. Yep, there it is.
Oh my god.
Go.
be okay.
Like, is there a way you can push me out of the chair? We've been here before. We're going to some...
Are we?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, well, I'll see you when you get out of
Dang it, we are.
Alright, that's gonna go with Oh, you better die.
Oh, did you die?
Did the photo really die? Yeah. My flashlight's blinking. That means
Blake.
you're gonna die because you're by yourself.
Blake, come to us.
I can't, dude. I'm stuck. Okay. Help them out. Right, okay, you have to go find them and help them out. What do you guys think? Brandon, yes.
Oh, yeah. Check.
Alright, I'm gonna go find them and help them out. You can see if they can. Ah! He's right there, run!
I'm stuck.
Ah! He's right
Who
behind
died?
me. See that one thing there? Alright, you left.
I can hear him.
No, you can hear him right there. Wait,
Is that?
do you turn into like, whenever you die, you turn into like a green turn into a little shadow light. Like that here one, where's that? I can't tell, but I touched that. But the
So, bitches.
No! No! Run! Ugh.
Ah! Why is it torturing us there? Is your flashlight going out?
Yeah, it is.
What the fuck? Why would he spawn right in front of us? Oh my god.
Nah.
That fucker. Come on, you're skinny. You should be able to run. I'm fat. What?
I'm
Dude,
dead.
I died.
I died. Oh
I
my.
heard you die.
Maybe the same round scary.
Jamie!
Hey, then. Can I come up the stairs?
Hey, sexy. Hi, sexy.
Dakota, where'd you go?
I tapped that little ghost rear. Oh, come here. Well, we all died.
Holy shit! Oh my god, dude, I just fucking pissed myself. Oh. Oh.
OBG, mister.
I beat all.
4 screams, guys, 4. Let's watch this replay. See how far we away we're from each other.
Oh, look at that.
Hey guys. Where's everybody at? Hold on here. Why you weren't sure? Yeah.
What's that fast?
Oh my god, you love me like so.
Alright, split up. Dakota, come here. Dakota. I'm Johnny Bravo. Go, Johnny.
Oh my god, God of War, you're just following me so you can see my booty. My juicy booty.
There's one in the tree.
There's gotta be one of these.
You can't kill him. He won't die.
Yep.
I will. Everyone will.
Dude, there's a tape here, find it. Got it.
I could have shot him, but I just felt the need to run away.
What? Oh my god, come here, you pedophile. Oh my god, you're supposed to be a manly escort. And you're like failing right now. Oh no, do not look at that. Uh-oh. Swear to God, if you leave me to die. Swear to God, if you leave me to die.
You guys already scored this church.
Why are you running? I don't have any spread.
Yeah, thanks. Dude, I have no idea where I am.
Oh, there's one.
Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Right here.
About this whole place.
Here's to our left. Alright, let me get to
No, wait, we've already been here.
Alright, none of those maps. I'll tell you. Wait, we already.
Look away! Look away! Look away! Look around!
Alright, here. Get the help out. Dude, you're so much faster than me. Where'd you go?
Like, why the
Alright,
I don't know where you're at. I'm right in front of you. No, you're not.
behind you. Oh! Fuck this.
Where you guys at?
We just passed the church, going toward the right. Alright,
I have lost all sense of church.
We're in the church.
It's basically like
My flashlight's going out.
Yeah.
No! No! No!
Oh, fuck yeah, I saw him. Oh, you got it.
We're gonna die. One of us are gonna die. I'm gonna die!
We ran out of direction. I heard someone die.
No! No!
I see him. We're running so fast. Yeah, you're too fast. We're all behind you. You're running way too fast, dude. Look behind you, dude.
Bruv, look at your...
Just wait, we're all right here.
No. No,
We're
no,
all
no, no.
behind you.
I don't want.
We're all right behind you.
What's that ass, dude?
We're walking in the squad right now. Go squad. Go squad activated. We're just
Why are you guys faster?
we're faster than you.
Don't look behind you.
He's walking. Don't look behind you.
Oh, Jesus, you guys are scaring the shit out of me.
We're walking through.
I'm inside of you.
Y'all can be inside of me. Oh. Guide me, my ghost.
We can't see the guy, so. How you last so long without a buddy?
Oh, if everyone else is dead, you're fine. Hi guys, welcome to the end of the video. So this game was called White Noises Online. If you enjoyed any of the gameplay, or by happen to chance like the hearing of my screaming voice from all the horror, leave a like. Go check out the game. It's on, from what I know, it's on Xbox. I don't know if it's on PlayStation. Sorry guys. It's $1 for this amazing game. The graphics aren't the best, don't judge me on that. But I had a lot of fun, my friends had a lot of fun, they knew that they'd be a part of this video, and I'm really glad they participated in it. So once again, if you guys liked it, leave a thumbs up, and just a few things. First of all, I have gotten my Game Boy emulator, and just like I did in the beginning of my page, I tried doing a playthrough of a ROM that you guys already knew. It's back from the olden days. I'm decided to do something brand new. It's a Pokemon hack, and I'm going to be doing a playthrough of that. The only thing is, it's Pokemon Glazed, and if you guys don't know what it is, I don't really either. The only thing I know for a fact is that it has 5 different starters. So if you guys are Pokemon fans, I will go ahead. Well, actually, I'll tell you it now. They're the Sinnoh starters, or you have Shinx or Railu, and these 2 Pokemon, all 5 are from Sinnoh. So if you guys know what that is, great. If you don't, you're unaware of what region that is. It's like Diamond, Pearl, Platinum, all of them. So if you could go ahead and just leave a suggestion of which one I should get for the journey, then that'd be great. Leave a comment for something else that you want me to post on here. I got a lot of other content coming out, but I can't do it daily right now for everything that's going on. But there will be a time where everything will be daily. So, yeah. Thumbs up if you liked it. Share. Subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.
Beast trees, he's turned into a beast. His new Slim Shady EP's got the attention.